Welcome to Electro Empower. Now let's discuss a question which came in GATE 2015 for ECE branch, and I will use the knowledge which I gave you in the previous videos. Okay, let's start. We are given a function that is summation of m 1 to 5 6 7. This is min terms are given. Okay, these all are min terms, and min terms lead to SOP expression. We can write the SOP form directly from the min terms, but we cannot write the POS form directly. We are asked to thus which POS form is equivalent to F. We can write SOP form directly, but we cannot write POS form directly. So first we need to identify the cells which is for corresponding to the values given in the question. So even if you don't draw the truth table, you can directly plot the values like 1 to 5 to 7. You can directly put 1 on these numbers. See, remember, I am giving you a small note here. Let me write it here. If you are given like any function like this, see, summation of m for let's suppose 1, 4 and 7. If you get summation and if you get small m, always replace these three values 1, 4 and 7, whatever values are given, how many values are given, always replace every value by 1 in the Kmap. If you are given pi of m, any value 1, 4 or 7, same values, then remember replace those by zeros. Now how can I remember? I will forget this pi and m. Remember, SOP means sum of product. Sum means summation of product terms. POS means product of sum. Product means pi. Product is always designated as pi in mathematics. Okay. So I hope it is clear, at least to the bit for which you can solve the questions. Now let's draw the Kmap. I told you, write one variable this side, remaining two variables this side. If you have one variable, you have only two options, 0 and 1. If you have two variables, you have four different combinations. But remember, in the last two rows, you will have to swap these values. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then come back 7. Okay, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Now, what you have to do, just I would suggest you just mug up this part. Don't every time don't analyze that should I swap this or not. You will get confused. Just mug up this part, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. As soon as you practice more and more questions, you will get used to it automatically. Now we are given these values. We have to plot 1 on these places. It is 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, and fill the remaining values with zeros. Always remember this, if you plot 1 on particular number of values, then always replace the remaining values by 0. Now we are asked the POS form. We are not asked the SOP form. If we were asked the SOP form, we would have considered the ones, as I told in my previous question. But here we have asked the POS form. So we have to focus on the zeros. Okay. So for SOP form, you have to focus on the ones, and for POS form, you have to focus on the zeros. I hope it is clear. So we have focus on the zeros. So here we have 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. This 0 we can't group in any manner. We can group these zeros like this because we have ordered is this 8, 4, 2, 1. For 3 variable Kmap, we have the order as 8, 4, 2, 1. So we don't have 8 zeros, we don't have 4 zeros, we have 2 zeros, and we have 1 0. So this is 2 zeros, this 1 0. For this group, how will you write the expression? For this group, you have see, x is changing and y and z are constant. So y and z. Now remember, for POS, I told you, for SOP we have to write the normal convention. This comes on from common sense also, that bar is 0 and normal variable is 1. This is a common sense also. It is also comes from human intuition. It is also comes like you have to give 1 to the by default and 0 by default to the complement. But in POS it's just opposite. You have to give complement as 1 and normal variable as 0. Okay. So if you follow this scheme, then for this 0 we have to write normal variables, no complement. And for this one we don't have any other 0 to pair it with. We have to put a dot here. First you used to multiply this and add this as per SOP. But in POS, product of sums, these two are sum terms and we are ANDing it, means producting it. We are multiplying those. So product of sums. So write this y plus z and then put a dot, and then for the next 0, x, y bar, z bar. 0 means x, 1 means y bar, 1 means z bar. X plus y bar plus z bar. Now x is missing in this term. So how to obtain it? In short, I am asking you to convert into standard POS form. Standard POS form means in every term all the variables should be present. So we focus on this term y plus z. We can write 0 like this. Okay, the term will not change. Y plus z, x plus dot x bar is also 0. We apply the distributive law. We take x from here, we take x bar from here. These two terms will become. Now finally put this value in here. You will get x plus y plus z, x bar plus y plus z, x plus y bar plus z bar, and we can, as we can see, the correct option is option number B. Thank you.